Thank you for subscribing to the Recurrence Signature Case Business Case Study game. We're excited for the opportunity to work with you. Today we're going to walk you through how to log in and use the administrative features of the software. First, please open up a web browser and go to signaturecasestudies.com. Once you've arrived, please click on the sign in icon at the center of the screen. When the login screen appears, click on the link that says New User at the bottom center of the screen. Next, click on the Instructor icon on the left-hand side. You will then be prompted to enter in the number of classes you're teaching. Next, you will be prompted to enter in the average number of students you have in each class. Please keep in mind that this is just an estimate. Next, you will be brought to the New Professor Sign-Up box. Please enter in your full name, your institution, which is your college or university, and the email address associated with your institution. This email address will also serve as your username. Then enter and confirm a password. There is no specific character limits on password. However, keep in mind that both your email address and password are case sensitive. Then click Submit at the bottom of the box. Now you'll be brought to the Instructor admin screen. Please click on Create a New Class in the top left corner. In the dialog box, enter in the name of your course. Keep in mind that there is a 20-character limit for course names. For example, if your course is called Organizational Management and Leadership, you may wish to simply refer to your class as MGMT 411. The next screen provides the link needed to send to your students in order for them to register for the game. Click on the Copy Link icon on the bottom left side. When the computer has copied the link, a check mark will appear next to the words Link Copied. Next, open your email software, create a new email, and paste the link of the text into an email that you will send to your students. Before proceeding, make sure that all students have registered and paid for the game. In the Instructor admin screen, you'll be able to view students as they register and will be shown which have and have not paid. Please note that students cannot play the game until they have paid. Once all your students have paid, click on the icon at the bottom right of the screen that says Assign Groups. Next, click on the Add New Group at the top left corner. You can add as many groups as you wish. Now you have the option of either clicking on Auto Assign, which will automatically assign students in groups of 5, or manually assign students to groups by clicking and dragging. To click and drag, left-click on a student name and drag it into the group that you've created. Some instructors may wish to send students a sign-up sheet in advance in order for them to provide you the groups that they prefer. Groups may have fewer than 5 students. The unfulfilled roles will be performed by an artificial intelligence. We strongly recommend that students play at least the CEO and CFO roles and only allow the artificial intelligence to populate the other roles if needed. Once the students are assigned to groups, click on the back icon on the left-hand side. Next, click on the Start Groups icon on the bottom right side. Once you verify the student group assignments, click on Start Simulation. Please note that once the simulation has started, students cannot be added or deleted from groups. Congratulations! Students are now ready to play the game.